On the second day of developing my game, I wanted to make sure I got the core feature of wave to text put into place. The first thing I did was start working on the spawning of mobs. Next, I wrote the script that checks to make sure the mobs in the workspace and on the correct map. As you can see here, I was pausing some to refer back to the tutorial at times to make sure everything would run decently smoothly. If you would like to check out or use any of my scripts, check the description for quick access to the code. I will also have the tutorial linked in the description. After getting rid of my movement script, I realized I had forgotten to copy it into the primary script for my mobs. Although this was a bit of a setback, it was a pretty simple script and it only took a few minutes to fix, which is great because I did not want to look something up again. Soon enough, I got the script working. It was spawning 3 zombies at a time at the spot I wanted it to. The only problem was that they weren't moving yet, and I needed them to move so that they could be destroyed at the end and attack the player's castle. Okay, so now they're moving, but they're only moving to the first waypoint, which I need to move them the whole way around, obviously. And I'm not sure why it says that I was trying to index something with nil, which I don't know what the error means. So I referred back to the tutorial, but there wasn't anything there. So I ended up figuring out that I spelled humanoid wrong, which I always do, and I don't know what else it was, but I fixed a few things and actually found a lot of errors and a few organization problems in my workspace that all needed to be fixed. So it was actually a really great opportunity to fix all those things. And I also added a small delay in a wait before I turn. So I would turn and wait a second so that the players have more chance to hit the mob and also just kind of make it look a lot better. So, now that I have the spawning of more than one zombie working, and them touching every single waypoint, I can move on to the actual wave part of it. So, here you can see it spawns 3 zombies, touch every waypoint, and then they get destroyed at the end. Now, obviously this needs to increase, so I went ahead and I wrote that. Alright, so let's go ahead and have a bit of fun, test this new script out. It will spawn 100 zombies past wave 5 and increases every wave. So the way it works is it multiplies the wave number and the base amount of zombies, which I think is 3, so for wave 1, and that gives you your number of zombies. And also in the output menu, here you can see it says wave starts, wave end, and it tells you what wave started and what wave just ended.